The wait is now over. It's time. Registration is now open for CONEXPO-CONAGG 2026. Coming March 3rd through 7th, experience North America's largest construction trade show come to life. See where the latest innovation, the biggest equipment, and the greatest minds in the construction world will gather for an unforgettable week in Las Vegas. Take your business to the next level by checking out 2,000 exhibitors, 150 education sessions, and meeting up with hundreds of thousands of industry professionals from around the world. Whether you're in earthmoving, aggregates, trucking, or so much more, this is your show. Don't wait. Register now on our website. It's time to take construction to the next level.